friends, today I'm going to be making Salad Maki Sushi Roll. Salad Maki is one of the popular sushi roll in Japan. It's not traditional Japanese sushi, but it may be one of the most loved modern sushi roll in Japan. Like the other sushi rolls, there is a particular filling combination: crab sticks, Tamagoyaki, Tuna-mayo, and lettuce and cucumbers. It's the first fusion-style sushi roll in Japan and is selling at any grocery store made with the ingredients of salad. First, let's prepare the filling. Cut the cucumber into sticks in the length of the nori seaweed. And let's make tuna mayo. Mix 1 small can of tuna and 1 tablespoon of Kewpie mayo. I always keep the oil because it contains the beneficial substance, but you can discard if you don't like it, but in that case, add a little bit more mayo. Mix really well until frothy, almost look like a fiber. Cut tamagoyaki into sticks in the length of the seaweed. Now let's prepare the sushi rice. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sushi vinegar to your liking to 330 grams of hot steamed rice. Toss to coat each rice grain with the sushi vinegar to season well. For more information, watch the other sushi video. To make one sushi roll, we use 160 to 170 grams of sushi rice. We need makisu sushi mat to make sushi rolls. And we need a seed of nori seaweed. Place the nori seed onto the sushi mat, uneven side up and smooth side down. Moisten your hand with the vinegary water. Take a handful of sushi rice, about 100 grams. Leave a gap on top of nori and apply sushi rice from the top corner to the other side. Spread sushi rice to the other end. Next, we are going to spread the rice downwards. The point is, do not break the grain of the rice. The rice should keep its shape as if the rice is standing up. And lastly, spread the center part. If you think the rice is not enough, you can add more rice. The center part should be thinner than the top and bottom. If you press too hard, your sushi rolls have a dense texture, but if you don't press enough, the sushi will collapse. Place the ingredients in the center. Press them evenly as possible. Now let's roll it up. Take your sushi mat with your thumb and index finger, and the other 3 fingers are holding the ingredients in place, and roll it up. Tuck the sushi mat toward you to tighten up the roll. And then roll it through the end. And squeeze it for the last time. Again, if you give it too much pressure, it will make a firm texture sushi roll. Let's take a look at it. It looks good. Your salad maki is done. When you cut the salad maki, use a moistened knife. But do not leave too much moisture, the nori absorbs the water and the texture will be compromised. Cut into 8 equal portions. Move your knife back and forth and do not give it too much pressure and cut it through quickly. Wipe your knife every time you cut. Place sliced sushi on the serving dish and there you have it. You don't have to serve with soy sauce because the sushi rice and tuna mayo are well seasoned. I have learned the technique to make a perfect sushi roll from Chef Tetsu of Samurai Sushi Spirit. He is showing us professional skills on his channel. Be sure to check it out. Salad maki can be served to everyone if there is a person who doesn't want to eat raw fish. And I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.